Hello guys, this is your DIY mechanic. We have today a 2009 Toyota RAV4. A lot has gone on this car. It came in with an immobilizer system fault, which we bought another immobilizer system on the car. The immobilizer system is behind the evaporator there. We've changed that. That is working. We tried starting the car. At times it comes on, at times it won't. The starting became intermittently. It could come on, at times it won't go off, at times it will go off, and all that. So checked all the wiring, checked all the fuse box here, checked the other relays there. I realized there was a particular shaking there. I rectified it in the relay here, and I don't know. I didn't just know what else to do, so I just said, let me run a scan on it again. And as I ran a scan on it, I discovered something, and that I'll let you know. Look at what I saw. No response from steering lock ECU. And realize that this steering lock ECU is the one causing the problem. I look right there, and it's even making a clicking sound which it's not supposed to be making. So this is the suspect right now, and I'm going to change it. And when I'm through with that, I hope that works. I hope this car will be able to come on by itself and go off normally the way it was made. I'll let you guys know how it goes. If this video helps someone out there, if you're having an issue trying to work on the key system, if this helps someone right there, outside there, please subscribe, please like and share so I can make more videos. Thank you.